Practice 6.5 completes the table. Okay, this is more difficult because it is not atom. It's become ions. Ion may be positive ion or negative ion. So the number of proton may not be equal to the number of electrons. Okay, for atom must be electrically neutral, must be zero in charge. So the number of protons must be equal to number of electrons. For ion may not be. So we try this exercise. So for lithium, lithium is number 3, okay, the atomic number. So number of proton is 3. So electron for lithium atom should be 3, but now it's become positive 1. So 1 electron loss. So once you minus 1 for the number of electron and become 2 electron in the outermost shell. I mean the total number of electrons. And then you only have 2 electrons, so you classify the metal for the first shell 2 only, no more electrons. So the electronic arrangement should be 2. Okay, for lithium atom, it should be 2, 1 for number 3. But now once it's become lithium ion, 1 electron go away, so it become 2 only. Okay, similar thinking process. Okay, for the second one, you know the number of proton is 7. Okay, and then you have the electronic arrangement about the electron is 2, 8. So it should have 10 electrons, right? So the total number of electron for this ion should be 10. Okay, for 10 electron, 10 negative, and for positive 7 proton. So what is the total charge for this element? It should be 10 plus 7 minus 10 should be minus 3. Okay, so it should be 3 minus for the charge. Okay, minus 3 for the charge. So what is this one? It is n, the number of proton is 7. It's related to the symbol. 7 should be n, nitrogen. So it should be nitrogen and minus 3. 3 minus for this ion. Next one is S2 minus. S belong to 16. So 16 number of proton. And it should have 16 electrons for the sulfur atom. But now it's become ions. Okay, minus 2 means 2 more electrons. So 16 add 2 more electrons, it will become 18 electrons. So you classify the total number of electron 18 into different group by the electron shell. For the first one is 2, and then 8, and then the last one should be 8. So it is 2, 8, 8 is the electronic arrangement for sulfide ion. The last one is proton is 20. Okay, so 20 should be calcium. And the number of electron is 16. So positive 20 and minus 18. So the total charge should be positive 2. Okay, now try to rank the number of electron into different electron shell, or we say electronic arrangement. It should be 2, 8, and 8 again. And then the symbol for calcium and positive 2. So we will write on top right hand side 2 plus. So it should be Ca2 plus for the ion presentation. Okay, question 2. Let Pb should be group 4. Okay, mean the outermost shell electron should be 4 outermost shell. Okay, you may not know well. Okay, between this is it should be 2, 8. Okay, something. Okay, maybe 8, 18. Okay, so the last one must be 4. Okay, now it's become Pb2 plus. So it should be minus 2 electrons. So minus 2 electron. So the outermost shell, okay, the electronic configuration for lead-2 should be, okay, something like that, 2A or A18, okay, you don't know well, but the last one should be 4 minus 2, it should be 2. The outermost shell must be 2 because it becomes 2 plus from lead 0. Okay, now you try to tell true or false for the ABC statements. Okay, for A statement, lead and Nat2 plus ion have the same number of proton. So it is true because they are lead and the only change in the outermost shell electrons, but no change the core, the nucleus, the number of proton. No, nothing changed. Okay, for B, both lead and lead-2 ions have the same number of outermost shell electrons, so it is false. Because for the lead outermost shell is 4, for the lead-2 ion, okay, it should be 4 minus 2 should be 2. So one is 4, one is 2. They are different, so cannot be the same. Okay, the last one, both lead and lead-2 ions have the same number of occupied electron shells. So to look for the lead should be 8, 2A, 4, and for next one is 2A, 2. So they have the same number of electrons, occupied electron shell. Although you may not know well in between, okay, it is out of the first 20，你唔識唔緊要，不過你知道佢哋都係一樣，你估都估到嘅。Okay, so they should have the same and outermost shell 4 and 2 also plus 1 electron shell only. So they should have the total number of electron shell.